Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We will explore Frankfurt City today, so come and join me. And we are now here in Frankfurt main station, or they call it here Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof. Our next stop, yung papasyalan natin is yung Dom or yung Romerburg. So we will take U-Bahn, parang underground train siya. U-Bahn is underground train. So ito yung ginamit kong app, yung DB Navigator. So from Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof, select ko lang yung Dom, Romer. So marami kang choices dito. Anong sasakyan? So U5 yung sasakyan natin, direction to Prongesheim. Tapos dito tayo sa Dom Romer, bababa. So we will wait for 6 minutes for the train to arrive. Yan, we'll just follow the signs kasi on the other side, exit siya papunta ng Dome. So ayun. So I think it's only 2 minutes from, 2 or 3 minutes from the main train station. Yeah, mabilis lang. Just take the U-Bahn. So, hello guys. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Romerburg. Yeah. So, ito lang yung palibot lang siya. Yan. So this is the Romer. And on this side, you can see the timbered houses. So that symbolizes matagal na, mga lumang houses. And then here is the church. So it's already 12 noon. Kaya gabagting-bagting na siya. So this one is, I think this building is already the modern version. So next nating puntahan ay yung Dome. Magkalapit lang dito, walking distance lang siya. So let's go sa go! And this timbered house is, hindi ko alam. Mahangin sa labas. Let's try to get inside to this Kaiser Dome. In this photo, pinapakita niya heavily damaged yung surrounding ng dome during the war. Lumabas na tayo sa church. Our next stop will be the Iron Bridge. So, lakad tayo. Mga 300 or 400 meters na lakad. Wala siyang malapit na station na yung madaling makapunta doon kundi maglakad tayo. So ito pala yung ibang side ng sa church. Ayun, andun yung river. Oh. That is a mine river. So, karugtong yan siya ng, di ba yung lagi kaming sa Schaffenburg, lagi kami naglalakad at a mine river. So, that is the karugtong of a mine river. Tara! Hello, hello, a mine river! So guys, that is the Iron Bridge. We will go there in a while. So guys, this is a closer look of the Iron Bridge. Tapos, you know, may nagbabangka. Grabe, ang init lang, Diyos ko. Panis ang gluta ko. Hangin sa labas. Magtubuan na naman yung freckles ko. My God. And on the other side, parang pinaghalong panglumang times. And there, yung puti na yan, apartments, modern. Modernized apartment. Okay, so let's go up. Puntahan natin yung, tawid tayo sa bridge. Built sometime in 1868 to 1869. It was renovated in 1992 and 1993. All right, let's go up. Akit sa hagdan. At least hindi masyado mataas. Ano ba? Oh. So, ito na siya. Then, you will see some love locks. May palaklak pa kayo. Maghihiwalay din naman. Charot. Of course not. I hope. I hope na mga naglagay ng locks dito ay they're still going strong. Tapos, ayan na. Mine River. Ayan yung ano kanina. Pinuntahan natin yung dome. This is the bridge. Yung unang punta ko dito, that was in 2014, in November. That was my first time to come in Germany. I was invited by my colleague here in Germany to visit the company. Medyo malamig that time because that was in November and gloomy, so I was not able to appreciate that much itong beach. But now, since the weather is good, ang sarap maglakad. Ito nga, mahangin. Kitang-kita ang aking lapad ng aking noo. Ang lapad na akin, no? Ano ba? Mali-maling Tagalog ko. Yeah. Ayan. Let's go to our next stop and see you later. So, punta tayo sa Stadel Museum. Let's see if papasok ba tayo or not. It's already 1 p.m. so I'm not sure if we still have enough time. Guys, nadaanan ko dito yung Deutsches Film Museum at saka yung Architecture Museum. Pero hindi na ako papasok dyan sa loob, ha. Yan siya, oh. Ito yung Architecture Museum. So, meron silang event. Tapos na pala. Ah, hindi. From June 14 hanggang October 5. Ayun siya. Tapos dito naman sa left ay ang Film Museum. Yan siya. Yan. And here's another one. Nadaanan ko is yung Museum for Communication. Kadami ba museum nila dito? Tabi-tabi. Ayaw pang pagsamasamahin para isang bayad na lang. No? So guys, we just arrived in Stadel Museum. Nag-isipan mo kung papasok ba? Lapit tayo. So guys, welcome to Stadel Museum. So in front, may mga garden din sila, no? Hello guys, and that concludes our visit in Stadel Museum. Thanks for watching. So, hello guys. We are now here at our next stop, Alte Oper, or the Old Oper. Bumalik ako sa train station or sa underground station. Hindi na ako nag-try ng kaway kasi biglang umampon. Wala akong dalang tayo eh. So, sasakay tayo ng U6. So, 8 minutes pa tayo maghihintay. Yan, for our next stop. Ito yung kanilang U-Bahn. Ito muna tayo. We are here in Maitsai. Parang shopping center siya dito. In front of me is, I don't know who he is. Basta lang, kinuhanan ko. And that is Galleria. Kanina, umakit ako dyan sa taas. Yan. Sa My Sky Lounge. So, pinakita ko sa inyo yung overlooking. So, dyan papasok sa Galleria. The entrance is free. So, we are in Hauptwache. Here, church siya, but under renovation. So, hindi siya magandang tingnan sa labas na kasi ang daming mga scaffoldings. Let's check if this is open. Ay, parang hindi naman pala church. Pasok na tayo. Anong meron? 4:30 daw ay organ music. So the name of the church is Saint Catharina. Meron siyang music 30 minutes. Kaya I'm checking if mag-iintay ba or iikot muna. Balik na lang muna tayo sa shopping centers. Pasok tayo sa mga shops nila. Maambon pa rin kasi. Although kaya naman maglakad-lakad sa labas na hindi ka mababasa. Pero ayokong sipunin. Pag-isipan natin mamaya kung pupunta pa rin ba tayo dun sa may pag-music. Lumakas ang ulan. Pasok tayo sa gallery. Uwi na lang siguro tayo. Kasi hindi ka rin makagala. Malakas yung ulan. Biglang bumuhos. Ayan, dito mga bags. Ayoko mag-film dito. Yung mag-isa-isa ng mga items. Uwi na lang tayo. Gutom na rin ako eh. Uwi na tayo. Hindi ka rin makagala kasi umuulan. Ayun, ang lalaki ng lusok ng ulan. So, I think yun na lang we'll end this vlog. So, thank you for joining me and thank you for watching. So, yun lang. So, next vlog. Have a nice day. Bye.